welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video because we are going to begin the first transformation for one of the rooms in my new house. So the first room that I'm going to transform is going to be, drum roll please, my home office. Okay, so I am starting with my home office for two reasons. The first one is I do have 9 to 5 and I want to make sure that my place where I work is kind of put together and I'm settled in it. That way I can really focus on the things that I have for the upcoming year. Okay, pretty simple. But the second reason is probably one of the most important reasons, and it's because my home office is going to serve as pretty much my headquarters. Okay, in 2022 I have a focus of creating multiple streams of income. Okay, and my home office is where all of these new businesses and new ideas is going to be birthed, and so I just want to make sure it is outfitted and just really fit for a boss, period. Okay, I want to make sure that the juices are flowing, the creativity can flow, and that I'm in an environment that will allow for those things to happen. So I'm super excited because the bulk of my furniture is here, either here or it's on its way here right now. Okay, my desk just got dropped off. FedEx just dropped it off, so I need to go bring that inside. My rug is here, my light fixtures are here, and I have 2 bookshelves that are being delivered today as well. So there's a lot of building that's going to be happening, but I'm excited. All right, you all, so this is my office space. If you saw my empty house tour, you would have seen it truly empty. So I have since, had movers come in, but for the most part it still is empty because my furniture hasn't arrived yet. So I'm super excited. I just got the call that my bookshelves will be delivered in about 25 minutes or so. So I just kind of want to show you guys the before, and this was something that I had already. And then I'm gonna show you guys after. So I'm about to go bring up my desk, and it's a struggle. I don't know if I'm gonna record me doing that, y'all, but I'm gonna go bring up my desk, and then the bookshelves will be in here, and then we're gonna start the process of building and creating my office. So super excited, y'all. So here are my boxes. So these 2 are my bookshelves, which I'm going to put, one in this corner, one in this corner, and I'm gonna have my picture up in here. And then this is my desk. So I'll show you guys once I finish putting it where I got it from and all that good stuff. Oh my goodness, you guys. So they delivered these 2 in room. So I did purchase in room delivery because these boxes are heavy. Okay, and I live by myself, so I mean, this actually got delivered right before the Ikea people came, and they were so kind enough to bring this also up in here. So this is really heavy, really heavy. There was no way, like, I really would be struggling trying to get this desk up here, but they were so kind enough to bring all 3 boxes up in the room. So shout out to them, customer service, love Ikea. Y'all, so that was a lot of work. Okay, I will say my bookshelves probably took, so to build the first one I feel like it took me like an hour, like a little over an hour, but to build the second one it took me 15 minutes. Girl, I don't know. I guess because, you know, once I figured out what I was doing, I was able to move through this one quickly. But I love them. To be honest, like, these bookshelves, they make this room look so big, okay? I think these ceilings up here, they might be like 8-foot ceilings, and I think the bookshelves are 7 feet or a little over 7 feet. So they're so tall, and I love how like they tower over me. I may go back and add, so you can see, there's like a little space at the top. So I know with the Ikea, they do have extensions that you can put on the bookshelf. So I may go and get the extensions, but I love them. This is, again, the smallest room in my house. I don't know what the square footage of this room is, but it just makes the space look so big. So of course I'm gonna put like a canvas painting in the center. My desk is here. I need a break. I'm tired. That was a lot, okay? That's a lot of work. So my desk is here. I'm probably gonna go like get some lunch and then come back and make this. My desk is simple, so I'm hoping it doesn't take, I mean, I don't see it taking me more than an hour to build. Like, there's only like four pieces to put together. Like, it's a very simple desk, nothing intricate, no drawers or anything. So but yeah, but I love them. Again, these are the Ikea Billy bookshelves, and what I love about the Ikea system is that there's so many different attachments, so many different things that I can do if I wanted to further customize my bookshelves. If I wanted to add drawers, or not drawers, but the doors. They have like the solid black doors that I can add. They have glass doors that I can add. If I wanted to add glass shelving, I could. Again, if I wanted an extension at the top to have more of like a built-in look, which I think I might do later down the line, I can do that. So I just like really love these. It was super easy. Again, like once I did it the second time around, it took me all of like 15-20 minutes to put together. So it is really easy to put together, but I love them so far. So I think what I'm gonna do is build the desk, and then once everything is pretty much built, then I'll go back and add like the remaining shelves and like stick it into the, you know, drill it into the wall so it doesn't move. I also need to figure out my outlet situation because the bookshelves are covering 2 outlets. So I just want to make sure I have easy access to it. So I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do with that, if I need extension cords, if I'm gonna try to cut holes down in this black thing so that the outlet shines through, which is what I want to do by an X-Acto knife. I'm just gonna figure it out. But we're gonna get I'm gonna eat lunch, we're gonna get the desk built, and then we'll go back and add like the little stuff. But actually what I think before I build the desk, I'm wondering if I should bring in my rug, because I don't know how heavy, I mean the desk is heavy when the wood is set together, but if it's a desk, I don't know how heavy it's gonna be. So it might make sense to build the desk on top of the rug. I think I'm gonna do that. Well, this is great because y'all get to see my rug. All right, let's go. Okay, you guys, are y'all ready to see my beautiful rug? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, guys, I am obsessed with this rug. So I wanted something that was abstract, and in my inspiration photo, when I was looking on Pinterest, there was a rug that I was super obsessed with. It was like a cream color, and it had like these curly cues in it, but it was black. And I tried my best to find this rug and I could not find it, but Amazon came through for your girl because this was a very close dupe. And I actually like that it's kind of all neutral versus like having black in it, because I can easily take this rug and move it around the house and not have to worry about, you know, it clashing with, you know, a color scheme. So I absolutely love this. I love abstract art, so you're gonna see, once I do my full house tour, you're gonna see just like a lot of art. You're gonna see a lot of lines, just like a lot of things. So yeah, so this is great because It adds like a little razzle dazzle in here, and it prevents the office from feeling just so corporate like, I guess you can say, because I do want somewhat of an executive style type office, but just with like a little creative twist, a little Brittany Christina twist in it. So I love this rug, love this space. So yeah, now we're about to build this desk. Hopefully, y'all know it gets dark early. Hopefully this light, I can get this done before I have to put on my lamp. I hate lamps, but I'm so excited. This is coming together. Oh, so excited. So we are making progress. So I'm gonna wait and tell y'all about this desk afterwards, but yeah, we're making progress. This desk is actually super easy to put together. However, these pieces are so heavy to move. So the reason why I stopped filming was because I had to position this rug, like get it to where I wanted it to be. So I don't even know if I like it where it is, but we're gonna figure it out. But I have this one last piece, this top part, and this is the heaviest part of the whole desk. So I positioned the desk where I want it. Now I'm about to attach the top part. So I will show you guys when it's all done. All right, you guys, so we have officially completed the 2 bookshelves and the desk and the rug. It is all in place. I am super excited. It looks so good. I want to try to get this room is actually pretty big, so I'm trying to make sure you guys can see like the full view, but it looks so good. I'm so happy with it. I absolutely am in love with these bookshelves. Again, these shelves are from Ikea. These are the Billy bookshelves. They were so easy to put together. And I just absolutely love how tall they are. I love how big they are. This desk actually came from Wayfair. So it's crazy because I don't know, when I first opened the desk, when I opened the box, it looked really gray. So now that the light is shining on it, it looks like the color that it was in the actual picture, because so this color is called sand oak. And I don't remember the exact name of the desk. I'm going to put link it down below. But I wanted something like super simple. I didn't want anything intricate. Actually, what I really wanted, y'all, was the CB2 desk. I'm gonna put a picture of what it looks like, but it has been out of stock and said it wasn't going to deliver until like April or something. I couldn't wait that long for a desk. So this was like a cheaper alternative. It's a similar color, but it is a little bit simple. So at some point I might end up upgrading this desk, but I think it works for now. It does the job and I love it because it's kind of like a good size. It's a big desk, okay? This is a very big desk. The tabletop is huge. I mean, I can't wait to style this because so much stuff can fit on it. Not that I want a lot of stuff to fit on it, but the good thing is big enough for the space, but it's also like a good size in that I still have so much floor space. Like I have so much floor space. So in terms of what's next, I think the only piece of furniture that I want to get is an accent chair. I want to get like a cream color accent chair to go in that corner and maybe like a little accent table. This is coming out. That's actually my light fixture that's going to go up in the ceiling. And so actually we might do an unboxing of the light right now just to make sure that I got what I ordered. But I have contractors coming tomorrow to actually put the light fixtures up. So I'm super excited to see that. I'm also gonna add curtains. And then I have like my pictures and just other decor stuff. So I am super excited to start like styling and really getting this room together. I also need to get my chair, which is still at home, and put it in here. And then of course I'm gonna have my canvas painting here. I do want to add a mirror of sorts. Like this is also a lot of wall space, and so I'm like, oh, I could do like a cute little mirror over here or potentially do like a gallery wall. I don't know, y'all. The sky is the limit, honestly. And this bookshelf, I decided this is gonna be more like a display shelf for my job. So as you guys know, or maybe some of you don't, I work in the beauty industry, and so I have just tons of beauty products. And so I think what I'm gonna do is just display my current brands that I am working for in this shelf. That way I feel like it will help me as I'm doing my work. So, and then also we're gonna get a TV mounted here. We're gonna get a plant, add some decor and stuff. So I'm excited. This is looking so good. And yeah, so let me unbox this light and I will share with you all. This is my light fixture that is from Amazon. This is the trendy Sputnik lighting and it's gold. So I think this is gonna look so cute hanging in my ceiling. So I actually need to go ahead and get some light bulbs for this tonight. So I'm about to make a quick trip to do that. But I think this is so cute. I didn't have any issues with this. Yeah, so I mean, we'll just hope that it works properly, but it looks so cute. I think this will add the nice little touch that I need in this room. And then of course, I'm gonna have a lot of gold accents on the bookshelf. So super excited, y'all. I'm just so pleased with my purchases so far. So that's it for this video. I'll see you all in the next one.